Guys, today I'm going to show you how to install our all-new Xtreme Coat 7-year graphene coating. So I've got my applicator pad, which comes with the bottle. I got a 50 milliliter bottle, which will do 2 vehicles. This is pretty easy to install. All we're going to do is make sure that we're covering all the surfaces. That's really it. I just want to make sure I've got coverage everywhere. I'm getting ceramic on every part of the vehicle. That's really it. So I will inspect to make sure that I have no misses every area. I'm going to do the entire hood at one time. I'll check this, gives us good work time. All right, so I can see, if you get in there with the camera, you'll see where we went, where we didn't, especially from the front angle. You can see the haze that's on there. I'm going to go ahead and continue to apply to the rest of the hood. I've got good work time on this too. I've got plenty of time to remove this, so I'm not under any rush to have to take it off because I've only got like a 20-second time. I've got plenty of time to remove this and get this off. So again, let's just make sure we got coverage. This is pretty easy to do. If you do it the right way, it's pretty easy. I think applying ceramic coatings are easier than applying waxes. They really are. It's less effort, I think, and they last a hell of a lot longer. We sell hardly any waxes anymore. Pretty much everything is going to be ceramic. So I'm going to use 2 towels. You can use 2 or 3, definitely 2, but you can use 3 as well. I'll go ahead and start to remove this panel. You'll see it come off. It comes off very, very, very easy. It is graphene, so it is very, very slippery. I'm going to go ahead and do my initial knockoff. On here, I'm going to flip my towel over. Get this all done. Really slippery, and really easy to remove. Just going to go over it. All right, I'm going to go back to the other side here. I'm going to use the initial side to knock off all the heavy stuff. So let's get all the heavy stuff knocked off. Make a couple passes, getting all the majority of it off. You can take it off in straight lines, circular motions, really whatever you want. There's no wrong way to do it. I'm going to flip it over again. It does come off pretty easy. I'm not really putting any pressure on it at all. It comes off very, very easy. So not struggling, not pressing hard. Just let the towel do all the work. My initial towel will remove everything that I can visually see. So there will be nothing heavy left on here. Once I'm done, it will look pretty good with my initial towel, which I've got pretty much everything off that I can see. I don't see any residue left on there at all. I'm going to go ahead and put my first towel down. I'm going to grab my number 2 and use at least 2 towels. So I'll go through the same process again, doing another wipe off. This time I'm going to go over all of my overlapping edges. So I did the hood, so I'm going to wipe off everything on the bumper, everything on the fenders, and everything around her. Make sure that if I did drag anything onto the other sides or panels, I'm getting them all off. If you use this method, guys, it's really hard to screw up. That side looks really, really good. I'm going to move on to this side. Do the same process again. Taking everything off, get an initial wipe all the surfaces down. Whether I see residue or not, I'm going to wipe the surfaces again. And then I'm going to go ahead and overlap all of my panels again. And make sure if you're touching the car, if you got gloves on, you're touching the car, make sure that your hands don't have ceramic on because your gloves will also leave ceramic on the car. So just be cautious of where you touch as well. That's really it. If you want to do a 3, we usually do 3. I've got a 3rd towel here to do a final. If you're using 3, you're really going to be really good. I always use 3. You need 2 at least. A lot of people get angry. I don't want to waste 3 towels. Well, that's up to you, but we want to make sure it's done right. Going back and having to redo it takes a lot of time, but this is really slippery, really easy to come off. And that's it, guys. So that's how we would install and do a proper install of Xtreme Coat, the all-new 7-year ceramic graphene. That's it. If you buy it now, it's already being sold. You can see how easy it was for me to do. It's not hard. I'm not laboring over it. It's an easy process, plenty of time, plenty of workability. This is going to be our flagship. This is great for glass, wheels, and all your painted surfaces. So it's Xtreme Coat from Dura-Coating. This is the third upgrade on this product in just over 6 years. It's Xtreme Coat. It's from Dura-Coating. You guys will always get the best. Real cars, real detail shop. This is what we're using on our customers' cars. That way you can use it on your customers' cars and your own cars and know that you're getting the best.